How to use cutouts in Instagram. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, open the Instagram on your device. Now tap on your profile icon at the top left corner to start creating a new story. Then select a photo or a video from your gallery. Next, tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. After that, choose Cutouts sticker from the list. Now pick the photo or a video you would like to turn into a cutout. Instagram will automatically detect the main subject and create a cutout sticker for you. However, if you want to make cutout yourself, you can click on Select manually. Once you're happy with the cutout, hit Use sticker at the bottom right to add it to your story. Finally, resize, rotate or reposition the cutout sticker anywhere on your screen. When everything looks perfect, hit your story to share it with your followers. And there you go. Now you know how to use cutouts in Instagram.